Fabric baubles are gorgeous Christmas ornaments and they're really easy and quick to make as well. All you'll need is a polystyrene ball. I'm using one with a 7 cm diameter, which is quite small, but these baubles would look good in any size, even up to a 15 cm diameter. You're also going to need fabric, obviously, a ribbon and a craft knife. You'll want to start by sectioning your bauble into 6 equal sections. My circumference is 21.5 cm, so each section will be 3.5 centimeters wide. We'll then connect these markings to the top and bottom center of the bauble, like so. And then I'll use my craft knife to make some cuts along each of these lines. Now we'll need to cut out our fabric. As you can see, I've already done that. You'll need 6 leaf-shaped pieces, half the circumference high and as wide as each section of the bauble, plus 7 mm seam allowance all around. I have a printable template on my website, so subscribe to my free newsletter to get yours. The link is below as usual. Now take each piece of fabric and use the blunt side of a crafting knife to push the seam allowance into the cuts you made earlier. You can use pins to temporarily secure the fabric while you push the seam allowance into the cuts. Add a bow and a loop to the top using either glue or a pin. And your fabric baubles are done. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time.